Here I have Motorola Moto G71 and today I'm going to show you how to add custom watermark in camera on this device. So first let's open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to photos, go to the watermark. So firstly you'll have to enable device watermark, and here you can add your custom watermark. So it's right now it's hard reset. Let's write HardReset.info. That's how it is. And now let's try to take a photo. And as you can see, now this photo is marked with our new watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.